You built that? Oh! Hey! Hey!
I know, impressive? So yeah, this is the Dyson V8 Animal, and it's a cordless vacuum cleaner, hands-free, forms clean up right, and good thing about this, it has 40-minute charge. I don't have to HPA, but hygienic dirt ejector bin capacity. And I pick up this sucker for $219 from Costco, which is selling now, according to December 2018. Comes with warranty right here. That's pretty sweet. Information packet. Here's the tube. Here's everything from the box. So right now I am done installing this beast machine. Okay, well, this thing is actually a beast of power machine, no joke. So oh my gosh, the weight, oh my gosh, even scarier, it has a high suction mode. Oh, I know, now I know where I should try this. Okay, all right, let me set up my camera. I got this. I'm gonna do this. Alright, got the camera ready. Well balanced. Maybe. Okay. Got this.
What are you filming?
Nothing. Jay, come here.
Yep. You built that? Oh! Hey!
I know, impressive? I know, it's so brand new. I wish it was like. Alright, so can you do me a favor? Can you hold the camera right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Hold it? Okay.
Alright, no. Now, let me flip this thing. Look at that carpet. Yeah, look at that carpet cleaning that.
Wow! Isn't that amazing, guys?
I know, it's cordless also. No. I know the power is like a lot.
The power is amazing. It's like
how much dirt I caught already. Look at that dirt. I'm pretty sure there's dirt all over this air. You got me? Alright, so this is an amazing thing. You got that? Yeah, look at that carpet. Yeah.
Be careful, yo. Now.
Right, so now let's look
it's
at
amazing.
Now let's look at the dirt this thing collected. You got that?
Got that.
It means that it cleans much better than a $600 vacuum cleaner. Alright. So let me just demonstrate to you how you put this in the trash. Alright, now you got me? Am I in focus?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So basically pull up the red tag. This one like here. So just pull out the red tag. Bring it up. Alright. And look at that. It automatically drops down. Amazing. Oh, okay. This is kind of scary. Be careful, guys. Just be careful. This has no safety switch. So just leave your... Oh. Wait, no. Just leave it like this. All the time, alright? This is safe. Doesn't work. So if you have little kids, just put it up like this. And yeah. that's it about this vacuum cleaner. Oh man, I made a mess. Now I need to vacuum this thing all over again.
3 hours later.
Stop!